Hey guys, I am Srishti and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will make 3D fashion illustration using matchstick. So let's get started. First of all, we have to make these sketches. I have already made this. If you are a fashion student, then you can make it easily. But if you are not a fashion student, then you can find these types of images on magazine or internet. You can take that images too. In the sketch, it depends on you that what type of illustration you want. So on the basis of illustration, you can make the sketch and the model's movement. Firstly, I'll take this sketch. Just follow the step I'll do here. Take the matchstick and put it on the sketch one by one. Heritage. Yeah, here is the first row. If you have glue, then also you can take the glue and paste it on the matchstick and then paste the matchstick on the sketch like this, and now follow the step that I'll do here one by one. Take the matchstick and put it on the sketch. That's it. So here it is, like this, one by one, the row movement. Okay, so just wait. So here you can see the illustration. The look of the illustration is very nice. Basically, I do not make the face of the model. So if you want, then you can make the face. So it totally depends on you. Now you can see the dress. It looks totally 3D, and the dress is looking very gorgeous. In my opinion, tell me in the comment section that what do you want on this dress. So let's move to the second one. Now as previous dress, just follow the step that I'll do here again. So here and take the second one. So I'll move this picture here. In this illustration, you can take the matchstick also. Here it is. And like previous one, just follow the step I'll do here and complete the sketch or illustration also. Here it is. Just put it matchstick one by one on the sketch like previous one. Here I change the design. I put in the previous one. So just see. Put the matchstick as much as you can. When you satisfied that your design is complete and it looks amazing or gorgeous as well, then it's done also. Here you go, just one by one. Here it is, just one by one, paste it. put it glue also if you want, if you make project. Here I do not make project, so I can't put glue here. But if you make project, then put it glue or paste it clearly that if you can't open it up. So here, one by one, paste it. Here you can see. So like this. So just wait. So here it is. You can see the sketch or illustration here. The dress is looking fabulous here. So this is a dress, like a top and a skirt. I don't draw the top and sketch the top. So if you want to draw the top, then you can also draw the top, or if you want to add matchstick in the top, then you can also take that too. So here it is. So you can use these types of sketch in your project as well. So it depends on you. So that's it. That's it for today, guys. So if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. And yeah, also press the bell icon so you can never miss any update about my new video. Yeah, last but not the least, follow me on my Insta or Twitter for more updates. I'll put the link in the description box. Bye bye, love you all. See you in the next video.